Get ready to be enchanted. This isn't just any royal event. It's Cinderella's personal masterpiece, designed to sweep you off your feet and fill your heart with joy. Witness the magic unfold as we reveal every exquisite detail of her highly anticipated charity gala, promising an unforgettable night of wonder and heartwarming surprises. You won't want to miss a single moment of this spectacular affair. Tonight, we are taking you behind the velvet ropes and into the heart of the most talked about event of the year, Cinderella's Royal Charity Gala. But how did this grand vision come to life? It all started with a simple, heartfelt idea. We've been given exclusive access to Cinderella's personal journal. Here, in her own elegant handwriting, we see the first spark of inspiration. The theme, enchantment for all. It wasn't just about a party. It was about creating a shared experience of wonder and kindness that would ripple throughout the entire kingdom. Her initial sketches are just breathtaking. You can see the ballroom, not as it is, but as she imagined it a celestial wonderland. We've brought these sketches to life with early concept art and 3D renders. Look at the detail in these floral arrangements, cascades of moonlit roses and star jasmine weaving through crystal structures. The lighting design itself was a massive undertaking, meant to mimic a canopy of twinkling stars, making every guest feel as though they were dancing in a dream. And the buzz it created within the palace walls was electric. We have some incredible behind-the-scenes footage of the staff, their faces alight with excitement as they meticulously prepared the gold leaf invitations and polished the royal crests. You could feel the anticipation building long before the official announcement was ever made. Now, turning a dream-like enchantment for all into reality is no small feat. It's what we're calling logistical magic. We sat down with the royal head of events, who told us the sheer scale of this gala was unlike anything they'd ever attempted. Imagine planning a sit-down dinner for thousands of guests from every corner of the kingdom. And the menu, the menu! The head chef gave us a peek into the royal kitchen, sourcing the rare, shimmering sugar crystals for the signature dessert. The glass slipper souffle was a quest in itself, involving merchants from the farthest reaches of the land. Then there was the construction. A time-lapse camera captured the ballroom's transformation over weeks. Custom-built stages seemed to grow from the floor, designed for interactive performances that would blur the line between guest and entertainer. They even incorporated holographic technology to project floating sprites that would flit and dance among the attendees. It's innovation on a royal scale. Of course, with so many dignitaries and beloved fairy tale figures in attendance, security was paramount. We learned about the intricate protocols put in place, from discreet royal guards to complex escort plans, all to ensure the absolute safety and comfort of every single guest. It was a massive, perfectly synchronized operation, a testament to the palace's dedication. And then, the moment everyone was waiting for arrived, the grand entrance. The red carpet was a spectacle of its own. We saw iconic characters from fairy tales near and far, their arrivals causing ripples of excitement through the crowd. But the biggest surprise of the night, the secret musical guest. The moment the curtains parted to reveal a legendary songstress, A collective gasp filled the hall. It was a masterfully kept secret that paid off in pure, unadulterated joy. Inside, the royal auction was already a hub of activity. The items up for bid were true treasures. We got close-up shots of a limited edition crystal carriage replica, each facet catching the light in the dazzling display. There were also portraits signed by the entire royal family, a priceless piece of history. The bidding was fierce but friendly, all in the spirit of giving. But the best part was capturing the faces of the first guests as they stepped into the ballroom. We have their candid reactions, the awe, the wonder, the sheer delight. You can see the magic of Cinderella's vision reflected in their eyes. It was clear this was more than a gala. It was an experience that touched the soul. Beyond the glamour and the glitz lies the true purpose of this magnificent evening. This is the heart of the kingdom, philanthropy in action. We have a heartfelt message from Cinderella herself, recorded just before the gala began. She spoke with such passion about the chosen charity, the Kindness Kingdom Foundation. Its mission is simple but profound: to empower underprivileged communities with education and resources, ensuring every child has a chance to write their own story. The impact of this foundation is already immense. On screen, you can see the numbers the schools built, the scholarships granted, the lives changed. The proceeds from tonight's gala will directly fund new literacy programs and provide essential supplies to families in need, making a tangible, lasting difference. And nothing speaks louder than the voices of those who have been helped. We have some incredibly moving testimonials from beneficiaries of the foundation. Hearing their personal stories, their journeys from hardship to hope, connects everything back to this night. It shows that every donation, every act of kindness, truly matters. It's a powerful reminder of what this enchanted evening is all about. As the night reached its peak, the energy was simply unbelievable. We've put together a high-speed montage of the most unforgettable moments, the stunning live performances that had everyone on their feet. The roar of applause as the final auction bid shattered all records, and the sight of guests from all walks of life dancing together under the enchanted starlit ceiling. It was a perfect picture of unity and joy. To close the evening, Cinderella took the stage one last time. She didn't give a long speech. Instead, she spoke from the heart, her voice filled with gratitude for every guest, every performer, and every member of the staff who made the night possible. She also shared a glimpse of the future, hinting at new royal initiatives focused on community welfare and sustainable development, promising that this night was just the beginning. The magic of this evening doesn't have to end here. Cinderella's dream of enchantment for all is a call to action for each of us. If you were inspired by tonight's story, we encourage you to learn more about the Kindness Kingdom Foundation. You can find a link to their website and social media in the description below. Every little bit helps continue this important work. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you felt a little of the magic too. If you enjoyed this look inside the Royal Charity Gala, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next royal adventure. Until next time, stay enchanted.